Good day. I'm Eriniko M. Mercado. I am here to discuss the importance of engineering ethics in real life, especially how it applies to us engineers. Engineering is not only about building machines or writing codes. It is about making decisions that can affect our lives. Even small actions such as being honest in our lab reports, following safety rules, and doing our part in group work already reflect the kind of engineers we are becoming. Today, I will share how ethical theories guide our decision and why practicing ethics early is essential in our journey as future engineers. Background of the issue. As engineering students, we are trained to design systems, build devices, and solve technical problems. But before we even step into the professional world, we already face situations that test our values, from group project responsibilities, accurate lab reporting, safety practices, and the temptation to cut corners. These student habits may seem small, but they shape the kind of engineers we will become. Many real-world engineering failures like collapsed building, faulty medical devices, and unsafe electronics often restarted with small ethical compromises early in the person's career. This is why ethical decision-making must begin long before we get our license. Description of the situation and key people. Let's look at the common situation faced by many engineering students. A group capstone project, one member proposes using data they borrowed from another term instead of gathering their own measurement at the same time. Another suggests ignoring a safety guideline in the prototype because it probably won't matter. During checking, the key people involved are the project members, the advisor who evaluates them, and the future user of the device they are designing. This simple scenario reflects the real-world engineers, managers, clients, and public are all affected by the choices we make. Identify the ethical dilemma. What's the conflict? The ethical dilemma arises between doing what is fast and convenient versus doing what is correct and responsible. Should the group cheat on the data to meet the deadline? Should they ignore safety rules just to finish earlier? It becomes morally difficult because students feel pressure, limited time, academic requirements, competition, and expectations. But these pursuits do not remove the responsibility to uphold honesty, safety, and integrity. Applied ethical theories. Utilitarianism, greatest good for the greatest number. Utilitarianism asks which action produces the most benefit and less harm. Using fake data may help the group finish quickly, but it harms learning, misleads the advisor, and encourages unsafe practices. Skipping safety standards risks future users who might rely on the device. The greatest good is achieved by doing the work honestly, even if it takes longer. Accurate data leads to safer and effective engineering solutions. Deontology, duty-based ethics. Deontology focuses on our duty as students and future engineers. We have a duty to be truthful in our reports, to follow safety protocols, and to respect academic integrity. Even if cheating helps the project, it is still morally wrong, but it violates these duties. Engineering is built on responsibility. We must tell the truth about our results because real people depended on our work. Virtue ethics, moral character. Virtue ethics asks, what kind of person do I want to become? Honesty, patience, responsibility, and integrity are virtues that define a good engineer. If we practice these virtues now, we build the character needed to make ethical choices later in our careers. Personal ethical judgment. What should be done? For me, the right course of action is clear. The group should collect their own data and follow all safety guidelines. Even if it means working longer hours, it is better to submit a late but honest and safe project than a fast, dishonest, and risky one. Practicing integrity now prepares us to help real engineering challenges where mistakes could cost life. Why ethics is important in engineering. Engineering affects lives. A single mistake caused by dishonesty or carelessness can lead to accidents, failures or tragedies. Ethics ensures that innovation protects people instead of harming them. Ethical engineers build trust, create safer technologies, and contribute positively to society. What I learned and how I will apply ethics as a future engineer. This case teaches me that ethical issues start long before we enter the industry. Small actions like accurate lab work, fair division of tasks, and responsible design help build the mindset needed for real engineering practice. As a future electronics engineer, I will make sure to follow safety standards in every prototype and design, test devices thoroughly, and report skills honestly, respect intellectual property, communicate openly with my team, and speak up when something seems unfair or dishonest. Ethics is not just a rule. It's a habit that protects people who will someday use the device we design. In conclusion, ethics is not just about a topic we study, but a habit we must live by. The choices we make today as students will shape the kind of engineers we will be tomorrow. By practicing honesty, responsibility, and respect for safety, we protect not only ourselves but also the people who will rely on our work in the future. Let us commit to being engineers with strong character, integrity, and accountability. Thank you for watching.
There's no